another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt popsicles. So the first thing that you will need to do is grab your yogurt. I got a yogurt. I got peach, but you can pick whatever kind you like. And a spoon. So how you are going to do this, you take your spoon, you poke it down right in the middle like this, or in the middle like this. Either way. I'm having a hard.
Another boy. You try to do it.
You have a mirror?
No, I don't have a mirror.
Do it. And this is such a hard time poking this out. So if y'all really have to, y'all can get. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get a butter knife, and that's how you. But before you use the butter knife, ask for your parents' permission.
Then why are you doing it?
So I cut it like this. Then take your spoon, put the spoon straight up in there, and it should be looking like this. And then I'll be right back. Do you want to get some plastic wrap? Or a paper bag, or a plastic bag. It works the same. And for it don't get freezer burn, you take it up and make sure your spoon is sitting up in the right spot. Oh, did I say you can have three of these? They're tasty dessert or a tasty breakfast.
Sequoia, you're not going back in.
Put it like this. You put Sharpie? Pick Chris.
I am putting Chris in. I already did Chris.
Put what you call him, brother.
I need to find a mirror change.
Oh, Derek Jones.
Derek Jones is my cousin.
I know.
Ew, all these mirrors are mirrors.
So it should be looking like this now. And I just put mine like that for nothing will happen to it. So and then you can put it in the freezer for about an hour. And I'm gonna have a part 2 because I'm not gonna pause my phone for an hour, because once I pause my phone, I have to go to Musically and everything. So I'm gonna see y'all in like 4. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I'm gonna show y'all the product. So I will see y'all in the morning. Bye. I want to see y'all in the morning, and I'm gonna figure out to edit my videos on my computer, on my phone computer. So I will be. So I will be right back, and then that's how I'm gonna do it, and I will see y'all in the morning. Bye.